Hi, this is Sherry from Everything Crafty. I hope everybody's keeping safe and well in the lockdown. And our little project today is it's a ribbon bookmark for your books. I presume what people will be doing their reading just now. I always like to have a book on the go, so these are quite handy to keep your place in your book. And I've made this one for a little girl that I know. So what you're going to need is you're going to need these clasps. And I bought these from Amazon. And they are for making bookmarks or whatever you need them for, but that's what they were advertised as, and it come with jump rings and chain. So I've got silver ones from there. You're going to need some charms, or if you want to do some beads. I've got a heart charm, and this one is a little cocktail glass. And you're going to need some jewellery pliers, a pair of scissors, some ribbon and book for your bookmark. Okay, so let's get started. So the length of your ribbon is really going to depend on, I'll probably mark this, I'll give it a press or something later, the length of your book. So for my notebook, I like to have them quite big as well. So I would want this sort of length, and then you just cut your ribbon to the desired size, so it's not rocket science, it's really easy. Cut it off of this one. So that's the size I want. So first of all, you're going to need to put your clips. Now apparently you're supposed to get bigger than your ribbon. There is one that slightly fits this one, but it's too much of a tight fit. So basically you're just putting your ribbon in your clasp and you're squeezing it till it's in the middle, until it takes a hold. Now that it's quite press in, and these are quite, see, it's quite slippy. You can get it right in there and then give it a press with your jewellery pliers just to get it to take a hold, and then squeeze it at the ends really well. And that should, it's not going anywhere. And we're going to do the same on the other side, just putting it in there, and as centre as you can get. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then just once you've got it held, squeeze in the centre and a squeeze at the sides. There we go. Right, so these are tiny little jump rings. I'm hoping that these all fit. And always open your jump rings sideways like that, never like that. So you put your jump ring on there, you put your charm on the end, onto the jump ring, and you just close. Really simple. And these are good for gifts and things as well. And these pliers are a little bit big for this tiny little jump ring. And just give a squeeze. And I've been keeping this for something special. This will be my book ring, bookmark. There's a little charm. I think it was $2.99 from our local craft shop. And find the end of this jump ring. They're so small. You can make them bigger. You can have, if you've got bigger ones at home. Find where it opens up. Oh, there we go. Just put it to the side. This one's actually got a, I don't know if it would go through. just going to put that on because I think that clasp there is a bit thick to go in the little... And just close the thing up. I hope that's the right way around. It is. And there you have it. So I can go ahead, put this in my notebook, and there's something pretty. You can have it to either end, and that's it. So any of your ribbon stash, these ones, the silky ribbon don't hold as well. They can be a bit slippy, but the velvet's really good, and the sort of croquet sort of ribbon is really good as well. So anyway, that's just a quick video for bookmarks, and give us a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't, and any comments you want to make, and subscribe, and that would be great. Okay, see you again. Bye.